Pricing plans with Aragon coupon code. In this video, I want to explain different Aragon AI pricing plans and costs. If you want to use Aragon Headshots Photo Maker or the editor part of Aragon, you have to upgrade your account first. First, you need to sign up. To sign up, I add the link below in the description. Click and use your Google account to sign up easily in second. Make sure to use the link below because with this link, you will get discount. To upgrade, you can use the link below and its coupon code to get discount. If you want to use the headshots personally, this is the price plans for you. Here you have 3 different plans, which the last one is the most valuable one, because you will get 100 high-quality headshots just in 30 minutes. It will generate your photos in 40 backgrounds and outfits and 40 poses, which is great. The next plan is the most popular one, which most people choose this. It will generate 60 high-quality photos in 1 hour in 20 backgrounds and outfits and poses. And the last plan is the cheapest one, which take 2 hours to generate 20 photos and 5 backgrounds, outfits, and poses. As I said, most people choose basic. It is more affordable than the premium and more valuable than the starter plan. Make sure to use the link below in the description. Then add this coupon code here in this box and click on Apply button. It will decrease the total price. I put this coupon code in the description for you, which you can use after clicking on the link itself. If you want to use the editor part of Aragon AI to edit your video with special styles, go to this section. You will see here some editor part need Aragon Pro, which mean you have to get Pro plan. Here you can see the Pro plan and Light plan features. You can read the details and choose the best plan you need. Just to remind you with the link below, you can get discount on any plan you choose. Here, as you can see, the annual plans will be more cheap if you choose them. And if you want to use Aragon for your team members, click on here and choose your company name, already made it. Then here, you have to choose the member of your team. Easily choose the number and click on Purchase. It will show you the total cost based on the team member you added.